Dito tayo kay Prim. I'm watching your... Ganito pala to. Ano pala to? Kailangan salain. Careful po. Mabango. Okay. Okay. Dahan-dahan natin gawin ang nasa instruction. Tapos pupunitin natin to dito. Dahan-dahan din. Stick. Guntingin na lang natin kasi baka mamaya. Okay. Ginaganto pala to. So, ayan yung coffee. Hello, Chang MC. Look, the mocha coffee. Very, very, very nice smell. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya ng ganito. Sa baso. Okay. Huwag lang tumalsik. It's very nice. Look at that. Look at my coffee. It's a mocha. Look at that. Look at that. So we will pour some water on the top of it. Wait. Mainit na ba yung water? Si Casper nag-eat na po siya. Naku, ang dumi. Okay, we will put some water up here. Very slightly. Ay! It's dropping. It's dropping. Wait. Mocha daw to eh. So, kailangan slowly lang tayo sa pagda-drop ng water on the top. Okay. I like this one. And then, you can put on your face this. Diba? It smells very good and very nice. Very refreshing. Look at that. Look at this. Nanginginig pa. Look, we have to put very little. So, diba? It's very nice. Sana magustuhan din natin to kung ano man lasa nito, no? Good luck to me. B-boy, you finish your food? Tapos na rin ni Casper ang kanyang breakfast. Egg and kubos. Yes. Look at, nakikita niyo yung water is coming up na. Yeah. Very, very nice. Mocha daw to. Malalaman natin kung mocha nga to. Oops! Wait, clean ko muna si Casper. I clean the mouth muna of Casper. Umakit ka na dyan, bibi. Yung bibig mo, you're not clean. You are not yet clean. Okay? Wait, dito. Sus, nagtalsik na yung... Dati kasi daldal eh. Daldalaling. No. It's so daldalaling. It's so my baby boy. You're such a baby boy. It's a habibi. Siyempre, nilinisan din natin ang kanyang pinagkainan dito para walang ano. Chang MC, how's your going out last day? Yesterday. You go swimming. How's your last day today? Yan, naubos niya po ang kanyang food. Very good, Casper. Such a very good boy. Shampoo, thank you so much. Yan. Nanonood tayo ng kay Earl. What's happening?